Every child deserves to learn in a safe and peaceful environment. Safe schools are more than just buildings. They are places where students feel protected, respected, and supported. When schools are safe, children can focus on their education, build confidence, and grow into responsible citizens. But in many parts of the world, violence, conflict, or fear keeps students away from classrooms. Education should never be a target. Teachers should never be at risk. Children should never have to choose between safety and learning. Governments, communities, and all of us must come together to protect education. We must speak out against school attacks, bullying, and discrimination. We must invest in school safety, mental health, and inclusive learning. Because when schools are safe, futures are brighter. And when we protect education, we protect the next generation.